We celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna on the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhadon. The number 8 has another significance. Krishna was the 8th child of his mother Devaki. Lord Krishna is considered as one of the most powerful human incarnations of Lord Vishnu. He was born around 5200 years ago in Mathura. He was born to kill the cruel king Kans of Mathura, who was a tyrant. Kans imprisoned his father in order to become the king. Devaki was his sister and was married to a nobleman, Vasudev. On the day of his sister's wedding, Kans heard a heavenly voice saying, "Kans, your days of tyranny will soon be over. You will be killed by the 8th child of Devaki." After this prophecy, Kans feared for his life and put his sister Devaki and her husband behind bars. As he did not want to take any chances, he killed 6 infants of Devaki. When Devaki conceived for the 7th time, the gods transformed the embryo to the womb of Rohini, Vasudev's second wife, who gave birth to a son, Balram. Balram is considered the incarnation of the Sheshnag, the 10-headed cobra on whose back Lord Vishnu always rested and slept in Shirsagar, the sea of milk. Later at midnight, when the 8th child was born to Devaki, the guards fell asleep and Vasudev's chains fell off his hands and feet. Wasting no time, Vasudev picked up the newborn baby and carrying him in a basket, he started towards Gokul, situated across the Yamuna river where his friend Nand lived. When Vasudev reached the riverbank of Yamuna, the river was in spate. Suddenly, a miracle happened. The river parted and Vasudev walked through the river. Throughout the way, Vasudev and the baby were protected from the rain by the Sheshnag. Upon reaching Nand's house, Vasudev found the wife of Nand, Yashoda, and her newborn baby girl in deep sleep. He quickly exchanged the babies and returned to the prison with the infant girl while the guards were still asleep. Vasudev went inside the prison as if nothing had happened. The crying girl infant woke up the guards and Kans was informed and he rushed into the prison to kill the baby. Lying at the feet of her brother, Devaki appealed, "What can a girl do to you, Kans? Spare her life, please." The inhuman Kans paid no heed. As he readied to kill the baby, the child slipped out of his hand and flew towards the sky. At that moment, a heavenly voice was heard. "Kans, the one who shall destroy you, still lives. He is growing in Gokul." And this was the story of Lord Krishna's birth.